Well, hey there, little Bubba. What are you doing?
Cooking breakfast.
Dang. What is that?
Steak. I cooked that up last night and have a little bit left, so figured make some breakfast.
Wait, who cooked it last night?
I did. Where's your proof that you did? I'm the one cooking right now.
I got pictures on my phone.
That I cooked?
No, I cooked yesterday, and I gave Jason the suggestion a while ago. Hey, how about we use the leftover steak and you cooked it for breakfast with some eggs? And apparently he did.
Trying to soften them up a little bit.
You look tired, Bubba.
Always.
Dang, little Bubba's outdoing himself today.
How about that? I think it's gonna stick to this pan a little bit.
Already got some tortillas, some peppers and steaks, some watery eggs.
It's cooking. Working with what I got.
That's what she said. Jason done turned leftovers into breakfast.
Trying to get this cheese to melt.
You know the best part about being off-grid? Is off-grid feet. Look at all them bites, people.
Good enough.
Alright, people. Time to off-grid brush my teeth with a powered toothbrush. Got too many things going on at once. And that's how you get off-grid white teeth. Alright, I suppose I should shave too. May as well. Barbasol. Shoot, dang. So that's good and all that I got shaved, brushed my teeth, but I'm down to my last clean shirt, so I'm gonna have to go down to the river, get some river water, and do some off-grid laundry. Shoot, dang. Alright, people, like I said, we got some buckets. We're gonna go get some river water. Got the fishing poles, tackle box, so we'll drop a little line in there, do a little bit of fishing, and then come back to washing clothes, off-grid style. Alright, people, so I'm gonna use this crawdad lure. This is what Jared caught his big old bass on there at that creek next to the house. So Jason's back there fishing with some leftover steak. Hey Jason, you should put that other camera in the water. We'll get out here and see if we can't do anything this morning. There ain't hardly nobody out here. Oh. Off here, I got my allergies going crazy. The plan is to get some water, fill up them totes. Holy crap. Well, just got my nuts wet. Anyways, I'm gonna get some water, try to wash some clothes, so I don't know, you tell me. There's something right here.
Can't tell what type of fish this is. Fish is not interested. I think it's a carp. This is the area that Dell and Daryl were fishing. So let's try our luck. Damn, got this line all tangled up. Fire.
No luck on the fishing. We weren't trying to make like a big deal of fishing today. Just we were coming down mostly to get river water so I can wash clothes, but I'm gonna take a dip now. Don't need to be sweating.
Jared's talking about Simple Life of Claim. Yapping.
Same thing with 2 sacks and Roxanne.
2 sacks and Roxanne.
That big old fish was right over here again.
Time to get that river water. Alright, so I tried and failed with a fake crawfish. Jason found this little live guy, so
See if we can catch a bass or something on that little catch, clean, and cook.
shoot dang. Live crawfish, take one. Well, just my luck. I got snagged, but all I lost was the hook. So, it is what it is, people. I'm gonna get up there and wash the clothes. All right, people. Like I said, I'm gonna wash some of my clothes. I'm down to my last shirt. He's gonna show me how to use his off-grid washing machine, and we're gonna use some of this organic, whatever, nature, non-toxic.
That way it's not gonna hurt the environment. None of the rocks are gonna die. It'd be okay. But what we got here is a power bank. It's kind of like the Jackery. I'm actually gonna do a full review on my channel. I got 2 of these that I have to do, honestly, so I better get on that. But we have this washer.
You've had this for a while,
It's
haven't
just
you?
it's just an RV washer. It's dirty because it's been out, but all you do, we already put a little soap to kind of clean it up, but you throw a little bit of soap in there, throw a little bit of water, put your clothes on top, add a little more water to get however much water you want. I think we have like 20 gallons or something like that right now. And then we'll just do that real quick. So
all fresh river water, which you've seen earlier in the video.
So we'll throw these in there. You ain't got no underwear?
No, just shirts, because I didn't know how much that thing could wash.
Not a ton, but it's better than driving into town. So we'll throw all that in there, and then straight river water. We'll see if that's enough. You can always add some, and then close it. Put it on standard. I'm not worried about the spin because that's on this side. Yeah, right here. And we're gonna wash. We'll wash it for like 9 minutes and see how that goes. It should kick on. Hopefully, if not, this thing. I'm not sure if I have to do this.
Yeah.
There it goes. So it should start moving, and it'll move both ways. I probably need to add a little bit of water because
and add more soap.
Gotta get that moving. So basically it'll do that. Just try to keep it going. We'll just add a little more. I'm not worried about the water because we just got it from the river. There you go. So you might want to sprinkle a little more soap in there, and you'll be surprised at how dirty that water gets. It actually does pretty good.
All right, people, so we add a little more soap in there. Shoot, dang. And then, of course, I got my clothesline right here. I'm gonna use the barbed wire fence.
Yeah, and then, so once that's done, it'll drain the water out. You can reuse the water if you want for something else. Since it's the organic soap, it's not a big deal. And then we'll throw it over here. So once it's done, we'll show you that.
Okay, so it's got about a minute left, but you can see how dirty that water is. I didn't think my shirts were that dirty, but I'm a dirty SOB.
About to see it come out of that hose here in a minute. It's real dirty.
Where you gonna just let it run down right here? Maybe you'll get some grass growing in these rocks.
I don't know about all that.
All right, so it's done. Now I go ahead and put it on drain. Shoot, dang. Off-grid laundry. I'm curious to see how this spin cycle is gonna work.
It does pretty good.
You got to wring out all the shirts good first.
I mean, somewhat.
I don't know if all the shirts.
Because it's not going to dry, it don't heat. All it does is get more water out. Yeah, it only do like one at a time or two at a time. It don't take long. I think it's going to be closed.
Oh, this went off.
I don't know why it does that.
I guess if it doesn't have power drawn from it.
Yeah, but that's not good. If I had like the so you gotta close this better than I had it.
Just sit on it, Bubba.
Nah, you could sit on it. See how water's still coming out?
Yeah. Shoot it. All right, so it just finished spinning. Not bad. Smells organically clean. Now I just gotta hang them up.
shoot dang. Now just continue the process till we're done.
Depends on what you got in there and how it.
Trial and error, people. Well, I actually did have one more clean shirt I found at the bottom of my backpack. So I threw what I was wearing in to wash. I got my shorts, underwear, and that one fishing shirt in there. And it's almost done, but as you can see, off-grid clothesline, barbed wire fence, you already know. This thing's working pretty good. I don't even know what brand that is. I've never heard of her. But I'm charging my camera batteries also. Jason and I both just don't have that much energy today. I think them Doolittles wore us out, but I don't know what we're gonna do after this. I think all we have left, we ate the steaks. So last night I made I don't remember if they were New York strip or ribeye steaks. Either way, they were good. We cooked them over the little fire pit area. Ooh, made some baked potatoes, roasted some peppers, and I think that's all we ate last night. But today we got hot dogs and Caesar salad. So halfway healthy and halfway heart attack. So back at home at Jared's, we have to go to the laundromat all the time, which sucks. I hate it. And it's expensive, man. You have to feed them thing quarters. There's a guy there last time we were washing clothes. He was like, damn, feels like I'm in Vegas just feeding quarters to these machines. But all this cost was a little trip down to the river with some fishing involved, some little underwater shots, swimming. And that's it, man. This is a lot better. Shoot, dang, I could do this all the time. Well, I got a few more shorts and chonies in there, but as you can see, it does pretty good. You know, got my boxers, some of my favorite foods, Cheez-Its, of course some popcorn, pretzels or churros or I don't know, hamburger, and then our president's favorite, you know, ice cream cones. Oh, Joe Biden, his ice cream, shoot dang. So now the laundry's done, waiting for it to dry. I got that one that's still full, that one that has some in it, and I think there's one more I think in side by side, so I'm gonna go get that. Dump out this water. It just got nasty over the last 2 days, so I'm gonna dump that out, put in some fresh water for the dogs. All right, I think that looks a little better now. Cleaned it out and refilled it. Some good old river water. If it's good enough for my clothes, good enough for them fish in the river, it's gonna be good enough for these dogs. Overall, I'm pleased, man. This is not bad at all. And it's gonna be outdoor fresh smell. So I don't know what else we're gonna get into later, but for now, I'm gonna rest. And I think it's about that time to open up a cold beer.